Anyone who plays golf should be familiar with these great tips. Golf is one of the most popular recreational activities in the entire world and is great for people of all ages. A wonderful day out and about on the golfing green is a great day indeed. If you want your golf game to get better, you need to be willing to put in the time and effort necessary. Keep watching for a few tips and tricks that will give your game a little boost the next time you are on the course. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you are aware of the type of concessions provided on the course, if any. This is important, because you will need to bring snacks or beverages, if none are available on the course. You don't want hunger pangs halfway through a round. If you are going to be golfing for fun, make sure to spend plenty of time at the driving range. As the old saying goes, practice makes perfect. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you do what you do in practice on the course. This is critical because good practice will result in good play and vice versa. If you fool around during practice, then you will only hurt your form. When your ball is in a fairway bunker, a good rule of thumb is to figure out what club you would normally hit at the distance you are away from the hole and then take 2 clubs more. The sand deadens your shot, and by taking more club than you would normally hit, you will end up on the green. If you are trying to get more distance out of your shot, you should point your toes out and widen your stance. Complete the backswing to put your club in the right position. Practicing these techniques will ensure that you will get more distance out of your golf shot. When you are below your ball as it is lying on a hill, the ball should be aligned closer to your back foot. This will help to prevent you from hitting the slope before you hit the ball. It will also help you to hit the ball over the slope. Make sure that you are holding your golf club correctly. Put the handle of the club between the palms of your hands and grasp it with your thumbs facing downward. Your hands will be touching. Command the club by choking down on it, when you only want to stroke the ball a short way. Choke up when you want it to go the distance. As you know, golf is a favorite pastime of millions of people around the world. Golf is hard to master, so if you aspire to greatness on the links, prepare yourself to put in the work. You'll see drastic improvements in your golf skills if you take the time to heed the advice given in this video. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn. You'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.